Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Understanding fasting, Ozempic, cancer-related foods, and healthy snacks. Today, we're diving into a topic gaining traction in health circles. Fasting, Ozempic, and the foods that can either support or hinder our health, especially cancer. Understanding these elements is crucial, not just for those managing diabetes or weight loss, but for anyone looking to enhance their overall well-being. First, let's talk about Ozempic. This medication, primarily used to treat type 2 diabetes, has been making headlines for its weight loss benefits. However, it's essential to grasp its implications fully. Ozempic mimics a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels and influences appetite and metabolism. Knowing how it interacts with your diet can help you make informed choices that align with your health goals. Now, let's shift our focus to diet and cancer risk. Research shows that what we eat plays a significant role in our overall health and can influence our risk of developing cancer. Certain foods, mainly processed items high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can increase inflammation and promote disease. We can take proactive steps toward better health by avoiding these harmful foods. But don't worry. We're not just here to talk about what to avoid. In this video, we'll also explore delicious and nutritious snacks that can help combat disease. From antioxidant-rich fruits to fiber-packed veggies, we'll share insights into foods that taste great and support your body's defenses. So, stick around as we unravel the connections between fasting, Ozempic, and the power of food in our fight against cancer. You will use these valuable tips to transform your snacking habits and enhance your health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The truth about Ozempic. Understanding its uses and effectiveness, Ozempic has become a buzzword in the health and wellness community, but what exactly is it? Ozempic, or semaglutide, is a prescription medication primarily used to manage type 2 diabetes. It mimics a hormone called GLP-1, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. By enhancing insulin secretion and reducing glucagon release, Ozempic effectively lowers blood sugar after meals. Additionally, it slows down gastric emptying, leading to decreased appetite and, consequently, weight loss. This dual action makes it a powerful tool for those struggling with diabetes and obesity. However, with its rise in popularity, several misconceptions have emerged. One common myth is that Ozempic is a miracle weight loss drug. While many users experience significant weight loss, it's essential to understand that it should be used with a healthy diet and exercise. It's more than a standalone solution for weight management. Moreover, like any medication, Ozempic comes with potential side effects. Some users report gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, especially when starting the treatment. These side effects can often diminish, but consulting with a healthcare provider is crucial to ensure it fits you. When considering the long-term implications of Ozempic, evidence suggests that it can lead to improved cardiovascular health and reduced risk of diabetes-related complications. Studies have shown that patients using Ozempic achieve better glycemic control but also experience significant reductions in body weight, which can further enhance overall health outcomes. In summary, while Ozempic is an effective tool for managing diabetes and aiding weight loss, it's vital to approach it with realistic expectations and understand its potential side effects. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best action for your health journey. These foods are leading to cancer. Understanding the risks. What we eat is crucial in cancer prevention. Today, we're spotlighting specific foods linked to increased cancer risk. By being aware of these items, you can make more informed dietary choices that support your health. First on the list are processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats. Numerous studies have shown that these foods contain nitrates and nitrites, which can convert into carcinogenic compounds in the body. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is sufficient evidence to suggest they can cause cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Next up are sugary drinks, including sodas and sweetened beverages. These drinks are not only high in calories but also contribute to obesity, a significant risk factor for various cancers. Additionally, the high sugar content can lead to insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which are linked to cancer development. Refined carbohydrates in white bread, pastries, and many snack foods deserve attention. These foods have a high glycemic index, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can result in chronic inflammation and increased insulin levels, both of which have been associated with cancer risk. The scientific reasoning behind these foods' cancer-causing properties often revolves around their impact on inflammation, insulin resistance, and the production of harmful compounds during processing. So, what can you do? It's essential to be mindful of your dietary choices. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These healthier choices can significantly reduce cancer risk and promote better overall health. Remember, small changes in your diet can dramatically improve your well-being. These 7 snacks kill cancer and beat disease, nourishing your body for better health. When it comes to snacking, choosing the right foods can significantly affect your health. Today, we're sharing 7 mighty snacks that satisfy your cravings, help reduce cancer risk, and promote overall well-being. Let's dive in. 1. Almonds. These nutrient-dense nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of almonds can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, making them a heart-healthy choice. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. These tiny powerhouses can help protect your cells from damage and may lower the risk of certain cancers. 3. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with at least 70% cocoa, is loaded with flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Enjoying a small piece can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing health benefits. 4. Carrot sticks with hummus. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and linked to a reduced risk of various cancers. Pairing them with hummus adds protein and healthy fats, making this a balanced and satisfying snack. 5. Greek yogurt with honey. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which support gut health. Adding a drizzle of honey enhances the flavor and provides additional antioxidants. 6. Broccoli florets. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in sulforaphane, a cancer-fighting compound. Enjoy raw broccoli with a light dip for a crunchy snack. 7. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Soaked in almond milk and flavored with vanilla or cocoa, they create a delicious and nutritious pudding. Incorporating these snacks into your daily routine is simple. They can easily fit into a balanced diet, providing essential nutrients while satisfying you. So, why not give them a try? Your body will thank you for making these healthy choices. These 7 foods kill cancer and beat disease. Superfoods for your health. Regarding fighting cancer and promoting overall health, our foods can significantly impact us. Today, we're highlighting 7 powerful foods known for their cancer-fighting properties. Let's explore how these superfoods can enhance your immune system and combat inflammation. 1. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, including sulforaphane, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. 2. Garlic. Known for its intense flavor and aroma, garlic contains allicin, a compound linked to reduced cancer risk. Garlic's anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties can help your body fight off diseases more effectively. 3. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to inhibit cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancerous cells. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. These delicious fruits can also enhance immune function and reduce inflammation. 5. Spinach. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and antioxidants, spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that supports overall health. Its high levels of flavonoids can help reduce inflammation and protect against cancer. 6. Green tea. Rich in polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, green tea has been shown to inhibit tumor growth and enhance immune function. Regularly sipping green tea can be a simple yet effective way to boost your health. 7. Walnuts. These nuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Studies suggest that walnuts may also inhibit tumor growth. Incorporating these cancer-fighting foods into your meals is easier than you think. Explore recipes that feature these ingredients, from hearty salads to flavorful stir-fries. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you can take proactive steps toward better health and well-being. Your body will thank you. Understanding Ozempic and its role in managing diabetes and weight loss is crucial for anyone considering this medication. We explored how it works, its potential side effects, and the importance of making informed dietary choices to maximize its benefits. We also delved into the significant connection between diet and cancer risk. We can take proactive steps toward reducing our cancer risk by identifying foods to avoid, such as processed meats and sugary drinks. On the flip side, we highlighted 7 mighty snacks and foods: almonds, berries, broccoli, and garlic, known for their cancer-fighting properties. Incorporating these nutrient-dense options into your daily routine can enhance your immune system and combat inflammation, ultimately promoting better health. Remember, making small changes in your diet can significantly improve your overall well-being. Whether it's swapping out a sugary snack for a handful of nuts or adding more colorful fruits and vegetables to your meals, every little bit counts. We hope you found this video informative and empowering. If you enjoyed today's insights, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights, give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this information. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of healthy eating and informed choices in our fight against disease. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your health is in your hands. Let's continue this journey toward better health together.